this.
I think I know why the mail planes are for. I know why they're for. They deliver mail to like different countries, to like different states. Like when you can't like drive there and then mail it to them, the airplane has to do it because it's probably faster.
That must be Alan's brother.
No.
Think of them fast better.
Shut up.
That is not nice.
Don't be a fool. My friend Adriana was luckier.
He's got a left one.
It took off again. Oh, he's training. He's just trying. He's
Of course, they have to practice.
yeah. They're
There goes a plane. Oh, it's a Southwest.
Yes.